What's up, tubers? We're here working on the 56 Thunderbird. We pulled this thing out of a body shop. It had been sitting there for like 8 to 10 years, just kind of in pieces, mostly whole. But today we're gonna see if we can get this engine fired. Now, we're gonna put some oil down in cylinders and rotate it over first, and then we're gonna clean up the plugs. We're gonna gap them, stick them back in, and we're gonna add some go juice and see if we can't get this thing to go bang. I already marked it, so this is negative. I marked the cable for you. All right. Yeah. It's weird how they ran it.
Moment of truth. This squared away right there. That should do it. That's there. All right, here we go. Ready? We got rotation.
All right, do it again. Cool. Thing's in pretty good shape. I mean, the body is straight. Obviously, it's been cleaned up quite a bit because it was nasty dirty, but the lines are straight. You know, most every single part is here, including the hardtop. This car evidently did not come with a soft top, but it does have this cool little power seat contraption. The entire frame on the bottom is what moves the seat back and forth. Pretty nifty little invention back in '56. Here's where we're at, cleaning plugs, and then we'll get them gapped and stuck back in there, and then checking the brakes.
Here we go.
Not enough juice? Not enough juice?
Contact.
Not enough power on that battery. Stop. Hang on, it's smoking.
Ignition. And go.
It's like it doesn't have enough juice.
Hit the front ones. I'm not sure. Primaries in the back.
All right, it's that was a hot day. We called it good for now. I've got to go track down a couple parts. Got the motor to turn over with the key, new battery. I think we got to get a coil, and I know I have one sitting on my shelf, so I'm going to wrangle up some parts, and then we will hit it again. We messed with the brakes and found out there's either a kink in the line or there's crud in the line or something towards the back of the car. So side to side from the rear wheels, we're good. It's from the rear axle to about midway up the chassis. Something in that line is no bueno. So that's going to be next.